Good evening, my name is Betsaida Beatriz Ventura Garcia. My card number 13-8-25-19-14-74. Today I'm presenting a futurist proposal to tourism for the final evaluation of the English course. Balloon space travel. Space tourism is already a reality in the 20th century, although there are still many doubts about its accessibility and security. So today I implement an idea of travel and transport that will allow travel in a better way without depending on transport like ships or jets during the trip experience. The idea that I propose is based on a space balloon, which will become a small cavity for only one person that will be launched from a ship at the moment of reaching the stratosphere, and the person will slowly fall while observing the view of the Earth from the top and even being able to appreciate the beginning of space. The balloon must be designed of a material that allows it to resist gravity, and the consequence of this when decided. During the descent, the person will be able to communicate through virtual reality. The balloon, at the moment of becoming a cabina, will be able to show a smart screen where you can say communication signals. With this proposal, how can the difficulties be overcome? This proposal may be difficult to apply in the future. However, this is a tool that will be very important, and this is virtual technology. With it, it will be possible to use the tools that exist in a navigation system, and it will be allow the interaction of applications on the device to relate the customer to the browsing experience. Another difficulty that may arise may be the travel permitted in another concept can be cited as a passport. Currently, that passport is an important document for travel, and it can be difficult for different people to present in a space trip. For this point, a solution could be facial recognition. Avoiding the stationary for a world facility the registration of documentation for the trip, as well as for the possible companies that may see the sales trips. With this, it will be possible to have the file of each person in a more accessible and easy way. Tourist experience. The experience of this trip could be sold to tourists as an innovative trip that can be accessible to different people and create facilities on the tour. For tourists, packages will be sold according to the kilometers that the balloon will descend in the stratosphere, and price can vary according to the time and kilometers of this, as well as the most expensive package could be the one that is launched from the stratosphere, which can be about 13 km high. The second package will be 20 km high and will have a shorter duration of time. However, the beginning of space could not be seen. And the third package will be 10 km high, where it is visible to observe the cities, especially to enjoy the early landscape of the cities. The package will have an approximate duration of 3 hours in the descent, the first package being the longest and the one that is the best sold to have a space tourism experience. Sales to partners in the tourism industry. This special proposal is a project that will involve a lot of help from the tourism industry, both in the bursting and in the development of the test and package quotes. At this point, it will be proposed to establish an alliance with travel agencies and tour operators that have established segments of this type of tourism that could become adventure tourism. To the partners, it will be sold as an innovative project where it is possible to sell the package in the respective brands and get profits from it. With this, each company can gain more popularity and create connection lines and strategies in the development of a space package along the way over the years. Likewise, this project could be sold to professionals from different areas, such as engineers, architects, designers, etc., who make possible the safety and recreation of the space balloon models. With this last proposal, the objective will be to generate new jobs, and this will help to energize the tourism industry, turning it into a great outlet for employment and leisure activities that can benefit the global economy in different ways. The idea of the space balloon can be used in a couple of years, thus continuing to contribute to the development of technology and futurist strategies for tourism where the traveler can experiment with different activities that benefit special knowledge.